Anxiety roots revealed. Which one affects you the most? Anxiety is not just something you feel. It's a signal from your body pointing to a deeper root cause. There are different root causes to anxiety. First, anxiety can be passed down through generations, transgenerational trauma. Perhaps in your family, generations before you, people experienced war, people experienced trauma, people experienced poverty. This is passed down one generation after the next. In Chinese acupuncture energetics, this directly affects the spleen or the earth element. Another root cause is the need for control, which can often stem from childhood and not being nurtured enough, but also constitutionally, which is referred to being a wood element constitution, which reflects the liver energetics meridian. Someone that wants control is going to build more anxiety in themselves. Anxiety is also triggered by addictions behavior or drugs, which is going to create internal heat in the body and deplete the body, leading to more anxiety. This type of root cause directly impacts the water element or the kidney. Other times, anxiety comes from unresolved traumas, PTSD, mood swings, or other mental health conditions like schizophrenia, for example. This directly impacts the fire element, the heart energetic meridian. Finally, life transitions, grief, deep loss can trigger anxiety. These will impact the metal energetic meridian, which is also the lungs. So which root resonated with you? Healing anxiety starts with mindfulness, allowing yourself to be in the present moment, not in the past, not in the future. This will allow your mind to release any type of grasp or attachment, therefore allowing you to feel more peace. However, it's also about healing the root cause. And for transgenerational trauma therapies like family constellation, bioenergetic, psychodrama, indigenous rituals which bring in the element of the ancestors are going to help to access the parts that need healing. In the world of addiction, there is recovery. It's about stopping the use. And there's plenty of support out there to help you if you're using drugs right now to get off, or if you're having some behaviors that are compulsive, to learn how to manage them. Getting to that root cause is of the essence. For those that experience anxiety due to being over-controlling, symptoms can also be irritability, restlessness. The key aspect would be to go in nature and spend more time within a forest, walking around. Anything that is going to be nurturing is going to help that control aspect to diminish. In addition, doing more what is called yin practices that are going to help you slow down, feel safe in the present moment, feel calmer, feel loved and nurtured, are going to help you decrease that anxiety. For people struggling with grief or big life transitions, allowing yourself time to process and grieve, allowing the emotions to come, the deep wailings of loss, the fear of change. This is a natural process and you do not need to fight. You just need to be in it and let it happen. A big piece is when you're going through this type of transition or loss, it is not time to make big life choices. First, process all the emotions to reach a place of inner sobriety, inner emotional stability. Adding more life decision is going to create a lot of stress that is going to rise up anxiety. For those struggling with trauma or PTSD, practices like EMDR, highly recommended, but also others like psychodrama and family constellations, again, bioenergetics, breath work. There's a lot of different things out there, but these will allow for what is unprocessed to start coming up to the surface. This will lead to great emotional releases, and done in the company of professionals, you will be able to get through that, and little by little, the anxiety will subdue. So what type of root cause you resonate the most with? What type of solutions are you willing to start looking into? If you have more questions, just leave a comment.